In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get unpinned from your bike and pick your bike up in the most effective way. Have you ever crashed and then your legs stuck under the bike and you're all alone and you're thinking, I'm going to die out here? Well, hopefully this video will make things a little bit easier for you. So normally what happens is one leg gets pinned under the bike and the other one you should be able to get free. Like this. But my left leg is still pinned under the bike. So what can I do? I need to use my free leg to lift the bike up to pull my leg out. Or if I'm unable to do that, I need to push the bike away from me with my right and free leg. So ready? So I lifted the bike up slightly and managed to squeeze my leg out. That's one easy way to get free when you're trapped under the bike. So now I've had a crash and I'm really wedged under. As you can see, I'm no longer wearing my helmet. I'm getting hot. I've been stuck here for a while and the method of getting one leg out is just not possible. Both feet are pinned underneath the bike and I'm really running out of ideas of what to do. And normally in this situation, your brain kind of switches off because you start panicking. If you're riding on your own or your friends are disappearing off in front of you, you start to think the worst. What's gonna happen? But if both your legs are pinned, the only thing that's left is your arms. So all you need to be able to do from this position is get the bike up 1 inch, 2 inches, and that's enough to free your legs. So here I try and get a nice spot under the bike. If I can get closer to the bike, then I have more strength. And I lift with both hands, and there you go, I get one leg out. And now with this leg, I can push and get the second leg out. So it's the same method as before, but the first part is just getting that bike up just 1 or 2 inches with your hands or your arms to rip that leg out and make sure that you're free. And now I can go catch up with my stupid friends who left me here to die. So now you've broken free from under the bike, but you're hot and you're tired and you're struggling to pick the bike up. So what is the best way to pick your bike up after you've taken a fall? Now I know a lot of people with heavy bikes, they'll do a backwards deadlift, but when you pick the bike up like this, even when you get it up to here, then you have to turn around. It's so awkward and so difficult. So I would not recommend that way. Admittedly, I'm with a KTM 105 kilogram bike, so this is a little bit easier for me. But the way I do it is both hands on one part of the handlebar, turn the bars, and just lift up nice and easy like that. I've done this with Tenerés and CB500s, so even if you've got a big heavy adventure bike, this method works. If you look at me, I'm scrawny, skinny, no muscles, but somehow I still pick up my bike a lot easier than a lot of other riders, and it's about the technique.
Right, so I'll try the two-hand method, which you have to take into account, like if you're stuck on a hillside, mountain, which I always am, I never do it like this. If you're strong like me, see what I mean? Like I can only get my foot under there. And then, like I'm a strong guy, you know, so like you would have to turn. It's doable, but it's hard. So usually like when I'm sat on a mountainside, you can sit down. Bro, so much easier. A lot easier. Now, this method.
So let the bars like turn, does that make sense? Like you've turned the bars to the right?
Like this way.
So like when you pick it up, just let it naturally turn.
Like this.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. So easy, bro. So much easier.
So as I spoke about before, after you free yourself and you're really tired, it's important to be able to pick the bike up in an efficient way. Now it may seem obvious that you want to pick the bike up from the handlebars that are on the ground and not from the other side, because you don't have leverage from the other side. But often, if you're racing or you're new to riding and the adrenaline's going, sometimes your brain just shuts off. And I've seen lots of people try and pick the bike up from the wrong side. So make sure, if you're tired, save energy. Pick the bike up from this side where it is so much easier. Let me just show you how easy it is. One hand, I'm not very strong. Pick the bike up. Check out my gym routine. No, I'm joking. Now have a look at me try and pick the bike up from this side. Both hands. I just can't do it. Maybe people with a younger and better back than me can do it, but it's just wasted energy. So make sure you're picking the bike up from the right side and the right way. So hopefully now, if you've crashed and you get stuck, you shouldn't be so worried or nervous. You can just use your brain and use the techniques that I've done to get from out and under the bike and be free. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video on screen now. And if you've ever been stuck, let us know in the comments how you got out from under your bike. Thanks for watching.